Mechanical Engineering Technology program offered at Confederation College. The course itself is broken into 3 years. The first is a certificate, the second is a technician's diploma, and the third is an advanced diploma for technology. The course is a perfect balance of both practical and the theoretical side of mechanical engineering.
The program is very hands-on. It allows us to learn about all sorts of different fields, from welding to machining to pipe fitting. We have plenty of equipment for each student to use. There's never a time where you're really waiting for a piece of equipment. You can be on a lathe, a milling machine, or maybe a welder, and you have your own, and you can work in peace. It's great. And overall, these skills transfer really well to the workforce. No matter what year you may be doing, you can find a job very easily and be employed and have a great career within your respective field. As well, when you come out of the program, you have a very good knowledge and you feel like you're prepared for the workforce.